Hi, this is our first video in data science series, and in this video we are going to talk about machine learning. Machine learning is taking over the world, and that's the reason we are hearing about a lot these days. Not only we are hearing about machine learning, but actually we are using it in our day-to-day life, knowingly or unknowingly. So let's see the first example where we are using machine learning. That is the social media platform where we upload our pictures. The facial recognition model that is running at the backend identify us in that group picture and tagged us. That is the first example. The second, we can see the weather forecasting. With time, the weather forecasting models improve a lot, and now they tell us the exact time of any hurricane or cyclone that when they are going to make a landfall and at what time. Similarly, traffic predictions. It tells us at what time we can find the traffic in any particular junctions. There are other use cases like disease detection, identification of spam, and the list goes on. So, how the machine learning is different from our traditional programming? So, let's see an example where we are given some values of x and y, and we have to predict the value of y when x equals to 2. So what happens in the traditional programming? So when we see any x and y values, we tries to build a logic based on the to find the relationship between x and y. So the human brain thinks and come up with the logic that is y equals to 2 into x plus 2. Then we build or write a code in any language to find out the value of y when x equals to 2. So using the logic that we come up, we predict that value of y when x equals to 2 and the value comes up is 6. So this is the traditional programming where the human brain is coming up with the logic and feeding that logic to our codes and finding the output of y or output when x equals to 2. But in machine learning, the difference is that the computer or our machines are building that logic for us instead of we are doing. So we feed only the x values and y values. Our system comes up with the logic, build any logic, and that logic it used to predict for any unseen value. Here the unseen value is x equals to 2 or a new value and give us the outcome that is y equals to 6. So the difference is only that the work that which human being was doing earlier, now the computer is doing and building a logic. So here the data set is very small that consists of only three rows, out of which two rows we have used to build the logic and the third one we have used to find out the value of y. But in real life problems, the scenario is totally different. We have a data set that has millions of rows and thousands of columns. It is not feasible for any human brain to analyze that data or come up with the logic in a few seconds. So there, this machine learning helps and it builds a logic on those millions and millions of rows or millions of columns and give us the that logic and predict any outcome of in a future events. So this is a one simple example where we have used the machine learning or tries to explain the machine learning. There are various problems for which different machine learning algorithms we used. So the types of machine learning algorithms are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the supervised learning.